Hi, welcome to Keel Photography. With the eclipse soon approaching in just a couple weeks, pretty much all my astronomy time has been spent researching just different things with solar viewing, figuring out different ways to do certain things. Earlier today, I actually went and played with a Solar Max Coronado 9mm H-alpha tilt tuning telescope, where I was actually able to look at the sun through that, which was pretty amazing. But I was trying to think about certain types of viewing experiences that people are going to have, and we all don't exactly have, you know, several $1,000s to drop on a really nice telescope like that. But we do have our ingenuity. I actually was thinking about these solar eclipse glasses. They work. They'll protect your eyes. I was thinking, how can we make these solar eclipse glasses a little better? How can we make them so that they do exactly what we want to do and actually experience this eclipse in the best way possible? And the best thing that I could think is use them with, you know, some sort of magnification. Well, we saw in one of my previous videos that that's not such a good idea to put the filter behind the telescope or behind it like a pair of binoculars. I rummaged through some of my binoculars that I have, and I pulled out these small little pair. They're 10x23 binoculars, and what we're going to do is we're just going to augment these glasses so that they can sit over the objectives of these binoculars, and then that way we'll have a pair of binoculars that we can take a look at the sun on the eclipse day and increase our viewing experience without breaking the bank. Okay, let's get started. All we want to do is to cut the filter part of these glasses out, and I've got a broken X-Acto knife here, but it still has an edge on it, so it should do the job just fine. Now we will just do the same thing to the other side. Now that we've cut the filters out from the glasses, we can affix them to the pair of binoculars. One thing that I did do prior to doing this is I found the smallest pair of binoculars that I had with the smallest objectives. That way I could make sure that the size of these filters would be able to cover the objectives without too much, without obstructing the view more than it had to. So if you look at these, there's a small curvature to these, and for that, what I'm thinking would be the best is if we actually take the filters and bend them a little bit so that it will match up about as good as possible. Do that with the other side. And now, I actually just got some gaffer's tape, took it in a bunch of small little sections. Like painter's tape, the blue painter's tape, it actually will have less of a chance of leaving residue, and so that's exactly what I'm going for. So, I just want to put these on right here. Let's bring you in a little closer for this. Okay, here we go. Alright, now that that's done, you have a pair of binoculars so that you can make a tiny little dot in the sky appear a little bit bigger. 10 by 23 is not the biggest, but it's better than nothing. Better than just the regular eclipse glasses. Anyway, just be safe out there, and no matter what, just do not look at the sun. Alright, well, I just noticed that everything was a little bright in the video, so hopefully it didn't hurt your eyes too much. That's just to prepare us a little bit more for the solar eclipse that's coming. Anyway, it's just something I thought that on a budget you can improve the solar eclipse experience just a little more. Don't ever look at the sun without proper protection, especially with any sort of binoculars or telescope. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video.